What's up guys, Taraboy here and welcome back to my channel. Sorry guys. What's up guys, Taraboy here and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to smash the notification bell for you to be notified for my next video. Alright, today in this video, we're gonna be unboxing my new DJI Osmo Mobile 3! Yahoo! Yes guys, finally, meron na ako nito guys. Actually, nabili ko to last January and until now, nakabalot pa to, nakabox pa to. So this is the third version and surprisingly, this is the cheapest one. Pina-release to last year, so ano tayo, late na tayo guys ha, pero pasalamat pa rin tayo. Anong maganda dito guys? It has a foldable design. Look at that. You can see sa cover nito, pwede mo lang siyang ilagay sa pocket mo, diba? I don't wanna keep you waiting guys. So let's get into it and let's see what's inside. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready na ba tayo? Right, ayan guys. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so this is it. Yes. Oops. Oh, so this is the carrying case. Yes. So, tadan! Oh, diba? Yes. Wow. O diba, carrying case, napaka-light lang. Wag muna nating alamin yung loob. Later na to guys. So excited! Ano pa kaya ang laman? Wow! So guys, mayroong dalawang laman. Ito yung case at itong isang box. So first, let's open this box. Alright? Ito yung box. Oh, see. So this is, so naka-plastic pa siya, no? Good thing. So this is the grip tripod. Alright, ganito yan. Yan. Diba? Para pag ayaw mo na siyang hawakan, lagay mo lang siya sa table mo. Diba? Alright. Ayan. Yung tripod. So, what else? Oh, ito yung sticker to prevent sliding sa grip. Alright. Pinapahirapan ako guys. Yan! Hirap! Yahoo! So, this is it. May nahulog guys. Ito yung strap. Lagay mo dito pag nag-hold ka sa gimbal mo. Yan. Para di mahulog. At the other one, storage pouch. Ayan. Ayan. Yes, diba? Ayan, ganon. Okay. Ito yung manual. Yung guide mo kung paano ka mag-set up. Yahoo! Yes. Ayan. Guide. Sandali. Kailangan pala niyang pantulak. Kailangan pa niyang itulak, guys. Alright. Oh. So, this is the USB, the power cable. Yan. USB power cable. Let's open this. Woo! Yes, and this is it. Yes, here comes my Osmo Mobile 3. Yes, ito yun guys. First thing gagawin natin is ilagay natin tong gimbal sa tripod. Alright, so ganito yun. Ang electric fan. Alright, so ganito lang yan. Ayan, ayan, as you can see. Alright. Yan lang muna guys. Gagawa tayo ng video kung paano natin i-set up ito. Kasi I'm sure excited na kayo at excited na din ako kung paano to gagamitin. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have questions regarding DJI Osmo Mobile 3, just comment down below and try nating sagutin yan guys. Alright? Tata for now.